Sanibonani bafowethu. Ngifuna ukwenza i-video la or update about i-MK Party. Uzokhumbula ukuthi bekuke wavela endabeni ukuthi i-MK Party isithathele uSibonelo Nomvala amandla akhe yawafaka e-ofisini likamongameli we-MK Party uJacob Zuma. Now kunento eziningi abantu abadelela uNomvala, abanye bamhleka, abanye bathi sakutshela, abanye bayamduduza, obvious ngeke sibone ngendlela eyodwa. So bakhala ngokuthi akuna control ku-MK Party. That's why wonke usecretary ongenayo ungena nje sekunenkinga abhekana nazo. Khumbula ukuthi nayo Nomvala uke wenza i-interview esho ukuthi wathi ngena nje uFloyd wabona ngeke last uFloyd because uFloyd umuntu one-pride, ungumuntu othi ngishe engena endaweni ngeke akubulise, uzovela kubuke nje akudlule. So ngokwe-analysis yakhe uthi zezinye zezinto ezenza ukuthi uFloyd angalast. Now uyikhuluma nje leyo nto leyo naye usengu-secretary general we-MK Party. So now into isingayeke manje sekuthathelwa yena amandla, but ayifani nekaFloyd because uFloyd saqale sezwa iy'nsolo ezithi uzoxoshwa, kwavele kwanjalo wakhishwa as usecretary. Now uNomvalo yena into eyenzakele is that uthathelwa amandla as unobhala we-MK Party. Now ngifuna nje uku-understandisa ukuthi maphi la mandla athathiwe so that uyi-understandele nawe ubone abantu mabephikisana ku-social media ubu-understand ukuthi ahlahle ihamba kanje lento le. Umbuzo kumele siyibuze wona kuqala ukuthi yini umsebenzi wonobhala, yini umsebenzi ka-secretary general, because if sizocabanga ukuthi umsebenzi wakho ukuthi abhala ama-minutes of umhlangano, uma kunenhlangano avele abhala ukuthi kwenzakaleni enhlangano, sizomreducer phela. Kusho ukuthi masithi uNqamalala umthathela amandla sisho ukuthi uthathele incwadi abhala kuyo, of which miningi imisebenzi eyenziwa unobhala. Njengokuthi kufuna uyi-understande kanje lento le. Uma sikhuluma ngoNqamalala sikhuluma ngokuthi umuntu oyi-CEO or umuntu o-owner ikhampani. Sesithi ngenza i-example nje ukuthi ake sithi i-MK Party ikhampani yomuntu, besizothi uNqamalala i-owner, uyena umuntu umsusi wekhampani. Then njengo-owner wekhampani uqhasha abantu abazomncedisa ukuthi ikhampani yakhe iye phambili, iyenze imali. Now obani abasebenza abaqhashayo? Uqhasha i-manager, uqhasha amakomiti azomncedisa ukuthi le company ishone phambili, kube yiyona econtroller iSouth Africa, ama-customer. So uNomvalo ke makafakwa nje noma ngibani noma uFloyd nabanye, uma befakwa njengonobhala jikelele waleyo party, kusho ukuthi baqhasha imanager ezobancedisa ukuthi berun ikhampani. Uzokhumbula ukuthi umphathi wekhampani nemanager abenzi umsebenzi oyi-one. Umphathi wekhampani usewenzile umsebenzi wokuqala ikhampani, uselindele ku-manager ukuthi iqhubeke. That's why nasemsebenzini wakho most of the time ubhekana ne-manager more than omunye umuntu, because iyona eqhashelwe ukuthi iyenze sure ukuthi ikhampani everyday iyasebenza, ukuthi abantu bafika ngesikhathi nokuthi baphuma ngesikhathi nomsebenzi bawenzile. Umsebenzi wani loyo we-manager. Nosibonelo Nomvala, umsebenzi wakho ukwenza lo ukuthi wonke umuntu kule organization wenza umsebenzi wakhe. So if umsebenzi wakhe akawenzi, kumele kube uye o-decide ukuthi kwenzakalani ngalabo bantu. So if kune branch engasebenzi, now that ikhampani isikhulile, ayisekho KZN kuphela, isise Limpopo, ise KZN, ise Mpumalanga, ise Eastern Cape, ise Western Cape, nase Northern Cape, nako Free State, nako Northwest. Kumele ke manje ikhampani ukuthi umanager ephakame ebemkhulu so that abuke wonke lama branch akhona eSouth Africa. That's why sembiza ukuthi general, secretary general, sithi unobhala jikelele, umanager ophethe wonke ama branch. Okusho ukuthi mawuye emabranchini uzothola nabanye omanager bakhona. That's why ibranch nebranch kwezepolitiki iba nani nayo, iba nonobhala. Uyimanager encane, singathi i-supervisor ngamagama ajwayelekile. So because ke manje yonke into irawuna unobhala, ngifuna uku-understand ukuthi kuthathwe ini kahle kahle kuSibonelo Nomvala. So okokuqala wenza sure ukuthi ama-meeting ayenzeka. Nayo khipha i-instruction ezinobhala, atshela abanye onobhala abancane, ama-manager amancane kulawo ma-branch ukuthi yenzani sure ukuthi nge-term niba nama-meeting angaka. Into engizonceda ngayo ke mina angeke ngize ngiyofika lapho, nizongisendela ama-minutes abonisa ukuthi nibe ne-meeting ngesikhathi esithile, bekukhona ubani nobani nakhuluma nganazi izinto nazi, basayina abatade bekhona. So umsebenzi wakwenza sure ukuthi i-organization iyasebenza. UNqamalala lapho, uNqamalala ubuke konke, not just into eyi-one. That's why uNqamalala ekwazi ukuthi uzohamba e-Africa or e-India or kuphi ashiye i-political party yakhe la. Ukube kuthi inakwe nguye, ibizofa ngesikhathi ehambile because iy'nkinga zabantu azisolvwa, yena uhambile uye somewhere. But because kuno-manager zisala kuye iy'nkinga. So they make sure ukuthi yonke into iyasebenza. Nalento encane ongayicabangi ekwi-political party benza sure ukuthi iyasebenza. nokuthi imali ephumile ya kwibranch ethile imalini benza sure ukuthi ibhalwe phansi iyanakwa. Uma nixabene kwibranch ihlulumene nje kwibranch yenu izifike lapha kuye kube uyena oyisolvayo ukuthi kwenziwa njani or uyakhishwa kwi-political party. 2, njengoba sengishilo umanage ama-branch nama-province since unobhala jikelele. So that means iy'nkinga zase-Eastern Cape, iy'nkinga zaseGoli zinakwa nguye. So yonke inkinga ebhekane ne-MK eGoli inakwa unobhala jikelele uma isixakabanye. Nakhona leyo province iba nenkokheli ebekiwe electwa ama-provincial leaders. Inkokheli erepresenta wonke ama-branch or amagatsha asuke kuleyo province. And then leyo nkokheli itshela uSibonelo akumelanga ukuthi kuyonke ibranch ikhulume noSibonelo kuyoba umsebenzi ongapheli. So ama-branch areporta ku-provincial, ku-regional reporta ku-provincial. Then uprovincial ke uyisa kuSibonelo. So uSibonelo uMvalo should uzobhekana nabantu abangaphi abawu9. But bekuthiwa ubhekana nebranch bayazobhekana ngazo ama-branch MK awungakhi. So you can imagine now bekuzoba umsebenzi ongapheli. So umsebenzi wakho ukwenza sure ukuthi iphathi ilandela umthetho-sekelo we-MK party. So kanjalo lento. So nokuthi ke manje enye into ebaluleke kakhulu engicabanga ukuthi yenza uZuma asondele kakhulu ekuthatheni amandla athile kwi-office kaNobhala ukuthi siya kuma-elections and umsebenzi kaNobhala ukuthi anze sure ukuthi uyapreparisha into yama-elections. That's why ne-EFF ivele yadecide ukuthi ikhuze wonke umuntu izolo olilungu le-EFF ukuthi yekeni lento yokuthi nizama ukusikhulumela iphathi nicabanga ukuthi niyasinceda because anisincedi niyasibulala. Omunye umuntu angabona ukuthi niyasinceda kanti lutho anisincedi. Usho kanjani uMalema ukuthi abancedakala because ake sithi nje kuyaphikiswana ku-Facebook or ku-TikTok about i-EFF or i-MK party. Umuntu we-MK angene or angenze nge-EFF since kuyi-EFF resilient. Umuntu we-EFF angene alwe organization yakhe kanti ezinye inquma akazazi adefende kabi i-EFF kudume le nto abantu be-EFF babuke bathini. Leyo nto lena isashayela umuntu yedwa isishaya i-EFF yonke sekumele uMalema babhala ama-statement bephikise le nto leyana or beyivuke. Lo muntu engqondweni yakhe bekathi yena uvikela i-organization yakhe kanti uyamosha. So that's why kudingeka abantu abanjengoNobhala abazokusebenzisana nomuntu okhulumela i-organization ukuthi thina sithi. So imagine ke kuphuma i-statement esi-wrong from umuntu othi udefend i-organization kanti siya kuma-elections. Angikwenze nje umzekelo umuntu ozofika aphume ethi akazwani neyitabane asenze nalelo gama nje lithi yitabane. Uzokhumula eSouth Africa sibona abantu ababodwa singabantu abadifferent awukwazi ukuthi ufuna ukuphusha ingqondo yakho wedwa uzoluza amavote. That's why uMoebuka ama-organization onke ayayisupporta lento ekuthiwa i-homosexuality ukuthi omunye umuntu akazizwa ngale ndlela wena ozizwa ngayo akusho ukuthi yena u-wrong wena u-right. Because amavoti siwadinga ivoti alisho ukuthi lo u-homosexual lo u-heterosexual uyindoda lo u-bisexual lo unjani. No, ivoti nje kuphela. So wena ke bese uba nenkinga nokuthi abantu abathile bazizwa ngendlela ethile uhambe uyoyikhuluma ku-social media lento le usuchitha igama le-political party ungendlule lakho. So abantu abayi kuyovota. That's why kubalulekile ke manje ukuthi kube khona abantu abalaphana. So uNobhala ukuthi nangesikhathi sokuthi sokuya ku-ekhethweni bayahlala phansi bebheka ukuthi ubani o-right ongasirepresenta no yonke lento le. Angifuni ukuthi ibe yinto kakhulu evideo. Noqinisa nje amadolo igwegwe no-communicator inqumo ze-political party. That's why each and every meeting enkulu ebanjwa kwi-political party kumele uNobhala abe khona because if akekho that means uzoba lost ukuthi nikhuluma ngani. Imedia izobuza imibuzo kuNobhala not komunye umuntu. So kubalekile or mhlambe sometimes kwi-spokesperson. I-question ithi ke manje yini pho ishintshile? Kushintsheni pho uma sithi uthathele? Ngifuna uyi-understand kanje lento le. Before bekuba uZuma phezulu kube uSibonelo noMvalo number 2. That means if akekho uZuma uthola uNomvalo as number 1. Uma ngekho uNomvalo bese uthola ama-provincial leader or ama-regional leader then kuba ama-branch. Yebo, so isuka le phezulu yephansi. But manje MK party bese ya-introduce into ekuthiwa yi-special presidential team, ikomiti esusa uNobhala kula ndawo kungena yona. So ngenxa ukuthi bekunoZuma kube uNobhala manje sekuZuma kube i-special presidential team. So that means lamandla akade uNobhala operator ngawo office yakhe asengene kule team. So yumehluko lo wenza abantu becabanga ukuthi ke manje sekwenzeka into ezithini. Why MK yenza lento? Mbuzo ogcina then ngiyivala ivideo. Why benza lento le? 1, i-MK party ikhula fast. Idinga i-control not yomuntu oyi-1 yabantu aba-different. That is indlela engicabanga ngayo mina. This is an opinion. Nga wrong futhi. So ngicabanga ukuthi ngendlela uzokhuluma i-MK party ayinayo ngisho 5 years but i-third largest party eSouth Africa. I-ANC DA i-MK party. So you can imagine i-numbers ezingenayo zidinga i-control strong kwi-center. That's why if uyabheka ngapha ku-EFF nakobani bani uyabona ukuthi i-center ibambe pha phezulu komalema because they realized iningi le number kumelanga sibe baningi esidonsayo makube i-team eyi-1 edonsa iya phambili. So ngicabanga ukuthi nabo beza ngaleso strategy sokuthi makudonse i-team eyodwa nokuthi umuntu oyedwa because angenza i-mistake is-affecte sonke but makuyi-team noko iyakwazi uku-avoideka kuma-meetings nani nani ukucabanga nje. 2 ngiyacabanga ukuthi enye into it's because of ama-elections la azayo. They want to make sure ukuthi i-message iyi-1 iphuma from phezulu yoshona phansi. Makungabi ne-message kaNcamalala kube ne-message kaNomvalo kube ne-message ama-provincial leaders. So maybe one message okukhulunywe i-presidential task team kuphelela lapho akekho umuntu ozokwazi ukuyi-challenge. Engicabanga ukuthi enye into eyenza ukuthi abantu becabanga ukuthi uthathelwe la amandla uNomvalo asazeke. So nalento ukuthi enye engicabanga ukuthi bafuna yenzeke ukuthi uma unobhale yedwa unomvale yedwa inqumo ithatha isikhathi general not because unovalo ongumuntu owikho routine noma bebengibani ongene lapha inqumo bezothatha isikhathi uma wedwa but uma kunale special presidential team okusho ukuthi izoshesha i-decision making than ukudecide komuntu oyi-1 so iba better. And enye into ngicabanga ukuthi it's a matter of i-discipline. They want to make sure ukuthi because ngeke ngezwe endabeni ukuthi kunenkinga nendaba eyimali ku-MK angazi noma iyadleka or what ngisazokwenye uyiconfirma kahle. So into is that bafuna uku-improve ke manje ukudliwa kwemali. That's why abadala bebekhala bethi uNcamalala ufuna ukuyidlela yonke le mali. That's why athathe isikhwama wasibeka e-ofisini yakhe. I don't think I feel ukuthi simple kakhulu lento ukuthi sive sithi uzodla imali iphelele lapha. I think it's simple kakhulu because ngiyacabanga ukuthi uNcamalala I think une score esiningi ngabe kumele asibhadale than esokudla imali ye-political party yakhe. Uzokhumbula 2018 wakhishwa kabi kanjani kwakaza kuyonto ayithanda leyana so and abantu abaningi after ephumile babemedelela because they thought ngeke aphinde abuye kwipower but manje usethe G uyabuya futhi okusho ukuthi angibona ngayenza into yokudla imali ukuze amoshe igama lakhe engakafiki lapha phezulu. So hence ngicabanga ukuthi i-simplified lento leya but it doesn't mean laba abacabanga ukuthi izodliwa le mali ba wrong because if sibheke emumva ziningi insolo uNcamalala abhekane nazo ezikhuluma ukuthi imali yadliwa whether yadliwa uNcamalala or yadliwa ngabantu aba-around uNcamalala. So zoyi-two views angeke sithi zi-wrong because into ezosenza sithi le right le wrong it's when uma sekuhamba isikhathi sekuthiwa kuyabalwa sithole ukuthi cha ayidliwanga imali. Manje i-problem is that uFloyd waphuma ku-MK party wafika wakhuluma into eyi-1 naye wathi imali iyadliwa ku-MK imali ayisetshenziswa ngendlela e-right kwi-MK. So we'll never know to believe abantu because noFloyd akazange asiprovele i-evidence eshoyo ukuthi nayo imali yadliwa wavele wakhuluma nje kuphela. Asikwazi ukuthatha yonke into ekhulunywayo at the same time asikwazi ukuyidismissa ukuyibeka ecaleni into ayikhulumile. So it's up to wena ukuthi wena ucabanga ukuthi kwenzakaleni. So that's what I thought I should share about the MK party. And I hope lento ayikwenza ucabanga ukuthi ngikhulumela i-MK party because Izola was breaking down i-press conference ye-EFF and kanjalo. So ungacabanga ukuthi angiyimember ye-political party ethile or yini, just ngifuna nje u-understand so that when kufika i-4 December November wazi ukuthi ume kanjani kwenzakala kuleyo political party ofuna ukuyivotela. Unfortunately ngeke ngikwazi ukufocus kuwo wonke ama-political parties because amanye mancane kakhulu so kunzima ukufocus kuwo because you find ukuthi abantu aba-interested kuleyo nto leyo they are very few and nami I'm interested ekuthenini because I know ukuthi abantu abazovotelwa i-political parties zizodla amavoti kakhulu zilapha ko-7. ANC kungenzeka i-drop kungenzeka inyuke we don't know. Kube i-DA kungenzeka inyuke kungenzeka i-drop we don't know. I-EFF same thing, i-MK party same thing. Kube yini i-Action SA, i-Patriotic Alliance, iBosa kaMmusi Maimane nje wonke lama-political party you don't know ukuthi izodlala kanjani into mayilokhu iqhubeka ihamba but we know that i-Big Five iyona ezo-experiencer i-changes ekuthiwa zi-drastic whether bazodropa kakhulu nje ANC kungenzeka idrope kakhulu kungenzeka inyuke kakhulu we don't know.